With the COVID-19 pandemic continuously bringing challenges to our daily lives, the news about the availability of vaccines in the country provides a welcome light at the end of the tunnel of this unprecedented situation. Come and join me to know the truth about COVID-19 vaccines. I'm Adrian Rubibe, and this is my channel. We understand many are still undecided whether to take or not to take the vaccines for various reasons, but we need to have all the information to help us come up with a sound decision. And part of this information is being aware of what really is the coronavirus. Coronavirus is a family of viruses that can cause as mild thing as a common cold, all the way up to SARS or MERS. These are the bad pneumonias that we're talking about. And basically, what these viruses are, they look like a tennis ball with all the spikes sticking out of it. And depending on the type of spike, it allows that virus to attach to certain places. So some viruses, they have their spike that attaches to your nose, so basically you just got a common cold. But the SARS virus and this new virus that we're talking about has the spike that allows it to attack to the cells in your lungs. And when it hatches there, it puts in information to make photocopies of itself. So it uses our body as equipment to make more viruses. COVID-19 vaccine is a vaccine intended to provide acquired immunity against severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 or the SARS-CoV-2, the virus causing coronavirus disease 2019 or the COVID-19. COVID-19 vaccine teach our immune system how to recognize and fight the virus that causes COVID-19. It typically takes 2 weeks after vaccination for the body to build protection or immunity against the virus. Here are some stated facts to know the truth about the COVID-19 vaccine. The process to develop COVID-19 vaccines was fast-tracked while maintaining the highest standards. COVID-19 vaccines have gone through rigorous multi-stage testing process, independent reviews of the efficacy and safety evidence, regulatory reviews and approvals, and analysis of the clinical trial results. Majority of the side effects are mild. Having some side effects is normal and is a sign that your body is building protection. The possible side effects of a vaccine includes pain, redness, itchiness, swelling at the injection site, which may last a few hours, fever, feeling of weakness or fatigue, headache, dizziness, diarrhea, or nausea. You cannot get COVID-19 from the vaccine because there are no live virus in any of the vaccine presently available. Regardless of whether you already had the virus, everyone is advised to be vaccinated due to the severe health risk associated with COVID-19 and the possibility of infection. COVID-19 vaccines do not change or interact with a person's DNA in any way. Pregnancy is not contraindication of getting the COVID-19 vaccines. Pregnant women can get the vaccines with precautions, given that there is limited data on pregnant women from clinical studies. If a pregnant woman is part of a group recommended for vaccination, vaccination can be offered. It is advised to get the vaccine after the first 3 months of pregnancy. Consult your doctor before taking the vaccine. Vaccines have been part of our lives for years now. It prevents us from acquiring harmful diseases before we come into contact with them. According to the World Health Organization, the recently developed COVID-19 vaccines are not something that we should fear because it will give us the protection we need against the coronavirus. The available vaccines have undergone tedious research, clinical studies, and approval from highly reputable organizations to ensure its safety and have shown to be highly effective at preventing COVID-19. Let's win this war against COVID-19 by continuously following minimum health standards and protocols and by having ourselves vaccinated. Thank you for watching.